Hello folks, today I'll share 3 remarkable websites where you can access high quality stock images and videos for free. And last one is my favorite. Welcome to day 20 of 30 days of inspiring challenges. Number 1. Unsplash is a treasure trove for high quality, royalty free images with a vast collection contributed by a global community of photographers. From breathtaking landscapes to professional portraits, Unsplash has it all. Number 2. Pixabay is your one-stop shop for not only photos but also illustrations, vector graphics, and videos. Whether you need a stock photo or an eye-catching illustration, Pixabay provides an extensive library of free assets for personal and commercial use. Number 3. Pexels stands out as the ultimate choice for content creators, offering the best in both stock images and stock videos. Pexels is the go-to platform for creators who demand excellence in every frame. Hope it helps. If you have not connected with me LinkedIn or Instagram yet, well, now is the perfect time to do so. See you in the next video.